Good morning, everyone. We are thrilled to present Leap, an innovative solution to streamline queue management and improve user experience across various industries. I'm Sajan, and along with Devin, Hassan, and Harshit, we've built Leap to tackle the frustrating experience of long wait times and inefficient entry systems. Our goal with Leap is simple: make waiting effortless. By giving users the ability to join queues remotely and track their wait time in real time, and even skip the line if they choose to pay for it, Leap combines modern tech like AI, QR codes, and even real-time data to enhance convenience for both users and venues. Let's take a look at the problem that we're solving.
Long wait times are a universal problem across industries, from concerts and sports venues to government services and doctors' offices. Standing in line wastes time, creates frustration, and often leads to overcrowding. Factors like high traffic volumes, unpredictable weather, and physical discomfort only make the experience worse for users. From a business perspective, inefficient queue management reduces operational efficiency and leads to lower customer satisfaction. That's where Leap comes in. It's designed to eliminate these issues by providing a smarter, more efficient way to manage queues. Let's see how it works.
Let's take a look at the project overview. We're highlighting some of the key features here. Users can join the queue remotely through the app. They can also track their real-time queue position and estimated wait time. If they're in a rush, they can skip the line by paying an additional fee. QR code scanning allows for contactless and secure entry. We also have a built-in map that helps users find nearby venues and events. Our AI-powered chatbot helps users with queue information and venue recommendations. Leap isn't about improving user experience, it also helps venues manage crowd flow more efficiently and increases the revenue through queue skipping fee. Let's take a look at the goals.
Our goals with Leap focus on three key areas. Enhance user convenience. Users can skip long lines and reduce wait times, creating a seamless experience. It can also improve business efficiency. Venues can manage queues more effectively, reduce overcrowding, and improve customer satisfaction. Thirdly, we can leverage technology for smart entry. QR code scanning enables fast, contactless entry. Finally, we can enhance accessibility. Our map features help users easily find nearby venues and events. By meeting these goals, Leap provides a win-win solution for both users and venues.
Let's walk through some of the core use cases for Leap. Joining a queue, users can join the queue remotely from their phone. Users can also see their real-time queue position and their estimated wait times. Employees can remove and rearrange users from the queue as they want, and users can also verify themselves using a QR code. Users, if want, they can pay to skip lines and interact with a full AI chat assistant.
To make Leap work seamlessly, we used a modern and scalable tech stack. For our front end, we built it with React.js for fast and responsive UI. Our backend is powered by Node.js and Express for handling real-time requests. Our database is stored in MongoDB for flexibility and speed. Our API is a custom RESTful API which handles communication between the front end and the back end. We also use Socket.io, which enables real-time queue updates and allows us to establish new queues for each venue. We've also used LangChain and OpenAI to allow our chatbot to integrate with the back end. Our tech choices allow Leap to handle large volumes of users and provide instant updates. This is essential for real-time queue management.
Our team followed an agile development process to stay flexible and adapt to changes quickly. We use Scrum with weekly check-ins to track progress and solve issues in real time. We also held regular team meetings every Wednesday to adjust our development plan and make sure everyone was on track. For communication, we mostly use Discord, and our documentation was stored on Google Drive and GitHub, which was for version control. The team adapted well to changing requirements and technical challenges, which allowed us to deliver a solid final product. Strong teamwork and communication were critical for this project.
Obviously, no project is without its challenges, so now we'll move on to the shortcomings. First of all, socket-based queue implementation. Managing concurrent access to the queue from multiple users was tricky, but we resolved it using targeted socket events. Secondly, AI chatbot integration. Getting the chatbot to pull accurate real-time data from the database did take some tweaking. Lastly, we had some deployment issues. Handling CORS errors and environment variables during deployment did require some adjustments. These challenges helped us strengthen our technical understanding and build a more resilient product.
Sorry, for our design challenges, designing Leap required overcoming several key challenges. Firstly, we had socket-based queue implementation. Managing concurrent queue access from multiple devices without conflicts took a long time to integrate. AI chatbot integration was another large issue we faced. Ensuring the chat was able to pull real-time queue data, user preferences, descriptions, and much more from the back end was a very tough challenge to defeat. Our dynamic QR code generation was very challenging as well, linking QR codes with real-time queue data while ensuring security. Finally, our UI consistency was tough while maintaining a clean, professional look through an app that had multiple pages and thousands of lines of code was very difficult. Solving these challenges made Leap more efficient, though, and user-friendly.
Moving on to the future implementations, Leap is just getting started, and we have big plans for the future. First of all, push notifications. It lets users know when their turn is approaching. Secondly, the loyalty program reward regular users with discounts and queue benefits. Thirdly, App Store deployment. Launch Leap on the App Store and Google Play for broader adoption. Next one would be the dynamic pricing. Adjust queue skipping fees based on demand. Lastly, the VIP memberships. Create an exclusive membership tier with priority access. These enhancements will make Leap even more valuable for users and businesses alike.
Now that you understand the idea behind Leap, let's see it in action. This demo will walk you through the user experience from joining a queue to using QR codes for entry and shows you how Leap streamlines this entire process. You'll also see how employees manage the queue and how payments work for queue skipping. Let's take a look.
Now we're going to go through our demo. Let's start by signing up an admin. We're going to just pick a classic video admin email, and then we'll just go with a standard password. Now enter your new username and password, and we're going to take you to a fresh account. This is where all your venues will be posted. So we can add a new venue. For us, we're going to go with the Toronto Maple Leafs, one of the upcoming games that they're going to be having. And then what we'll recommend is a more detailed description. It just allows our AI to get more information from each venue. We can now upload a profile picture for that venue. And now you can see the screen's a little spread out, but this is one of your profiles. So now you can manage employees, create your employee's username, and each employee does have access to QR code scanning. Again, you pick your profile picture. We're just going to go with something fun here. Let's go with just a picture of a guy running. Now we can manage our queue, and what we're going to do is open our queue. So this creates a socket, which is later going to be, you'll see as the user can sign up, the user can join each socket. This is just quickly showing you can edit your description and you can edit your location as well as your profile picture. Now we're going to log out. And now we're going to log in as a user. As an employee. The employee shows the basically queue status and a QR code scanner. Now I've set up the QR code scanner, it's open. We're going to go ahead and go to a new user account. So we're going to quickly sign up a user. Now let's check out the user. So these are some preloaded bars from other admin accounts that we've shown so you guys can get the general picture. You can view your profile, video, check out some of our other features. So let's start by checking the home again. We're going to look at a venue. Now we're going to check out our venue locations. So our venue locations map shows all of our venues that have been loaded in so far, and when a new venue is added, obviously that goes to the map. So this is the Drake tour. As you can see, it isn't happening yet, so the queue won't be open. But let's check a queue that is open after that later. But for now, let's check the AI assistant. So you can ask the AI assistant a variety of questions, and it basically will be able to access some of your information that you've publicly made available, nothing personal, obviously, and databases of the venues as well as queue information. Let's see about some upcoming sports events. So here it's listed all of our sporting events that are coming up. The Raptors game, the Leafs game, and their descriptions of what's going to happen in each event. Now let's check out joining a queue. So we're going to check out our Ray Concert Hall. You can join queues here, but our only open queue right now is Toronto Maple Leafs versus Florida Panthers. So let's join this queue. And as you can see, because you're the only one in line, first in line, you can show your QR code, and you will now be able to go and scan this. So let's take a quick look at how that looks. That's me again. Let me just grab a picture of this QR code, and let's show the picture. And as you can see, it's a success. User validated. So let's check out our payment feature. Let's pay. And is it a success? Payment successful. Perfect. And now we can show that to our bouncer, and it will let us in again, much like you saw earlier. And I'm just showing you here how logged in as a second user, you can see the queue end and go as the user is scanned in or not. If you're not the first person in line, then you don't have access to the QR code. That's pretty much all our features. Thank you guys for checking out Leap. This is just another quick showing you the success of now the user is validated, and you're going to see here now it's invalid because the QR code was scanned. With that, that concludes our app, and we can close the QR code and open it as an employee as well. Thank you guys.